you. Please calculate your totals for each column on the top of the year. Okay, so
So you're working on number 3 right now, right?
I'm working on number 2.
Number 2, let me see. Please calculate and show totals for each column. Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3. Icons placed need. Okay, so the 91 plus and just say 190. is less than 1,000. So the XMAR is supposed to appear for anything under 1,000, right? No.
Yes, let me see. So for which ones? For the first part?
Yeah, it says in both 91 days and 61 days. Format all the numbers so the red X icon appears next to any numbers in that column except for numbers under 1,000.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to appear only for the top ones, right? Anything above 1,000?
Yep, correct. So anything above 1,000. So what you can do is you can conditional formatting.
Yes.
Let's see, hit OK.
I did conditional formatting and then I did icon, and I'm gonna edit the rule, I guess.
Yeah. So you choose icon, and then with it, I want you can choose 3, so you can actually click on the drop down and put no cell icon at the top. Anyway, and then
I clicked
yeah,
the
so
indicator, like the 3 symbol on circle.
What was that?
I click on the icon set and then I did the 3 symbols on circle.
Yeah, so then you can click on the drop down. Instead of having circles, you can pick an X. Do you see it?
Mm-mm.
All right, I'll show you real quick on mine. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's where I was.
So it's going to be here. So instead of having like these circles, you click on this drop down.
Okay.
Click on the red X. And here on the value and type,
yes,
change this to number, and then you can say greater than or equal to 1,000, because that's what it needs to be. Anything 1,000 and over needs to be a red X.
Yes.
And then you just leave it. That one's super simple for that first step. And then no more icons for those.
And this one will be X, and then perfect. Okay. From 31 to 60 days.
Yeah, so that column, you'll need to do the same thing, except numbers equal to 3,000 and above with the red X.
Okay.
Yep. And then you'll do from the values of 1,000 to 3,000 with a yellow icon.
3,000, and then yellow icon. And greater. Okay. Okay, so number 4, it says, please include the average monthly sale for each customer for the last 12 months.
Yeah, so I think for this one, all we have to do, this is from the monthly sales section or sheet, is create an average column and then just transfer the values over to the AR aging sheet. That's all I did. And then you do the data bar where you have to, under conditional formatting.
Okay. So did you did a VLOOKUP formula with average
I didn't.
for each customer?
I didn't.
How you did it?
Is that how we're supposed to?
He did mention, like, if we're gonna do something to create, like if we're gonna use the VLOOKUP to use the customer number, that's all he mentioned. Like he's like, don't complicate it or anything.
Makes sense. No, so yeah, we can do that.
How do you did it?
Let me try here.
Let me see. I will try the VLOOKUP. So the value that
I think it worked. Maybe. Maybe not. I think that works. I think it seemed to work. I got it, I think.
okay.
So what I did is I did VLOOKUP, clicked on cell A4 in the AR aging sheet, comma, and then you highlight all the data from the monthly sales section.
Yes.
And then you anchor that, and then comma 1, comma false.
And did it give you the average?
Nope. Yeah,
Okay.
I forgot to do that part. Anyway, now we have to do the average. Sorry.
Because what I did is I just did an average column.
Oh, yeah.
On the monthly sales, and then I just did the VLOOKUP and just put it to look like A4, and then like the table array, I highlighted the entire thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put it like to return number 15, because that would be the column.
No, yeah, that's what I needed to do. Sorry. Anyway, so
okay.
for whatever reason, I wasn't thinking.
That's fine.
Yeah. Okay, so for like that first one, my first customer number on the AR aging sheet is First Data Corp.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Yes, number 830.
Yeah, and I have 11,221.93.
Yes.
Okay, and then I think the rest should be good.
11,221. Yeah. And then once I go down, it should give me. The next one will be 9,018.
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna get rid of the decimals since none of the other numbers have decimals. So.
Oh yeah.
That should cover that part. And then format this entire column by adding a data bar of your choice. Okay.
Okay. So then and you did a data bar, right?
I haven't. I'm about to do it. Conditional formatting data bar. I'm just gonna pick the blue one in. The 11,000 goes all the way in, and then the other ones can barely, like, not even show.
Yeah.
I'm like, all right, that works.
Cool beans. Okay. Now for 5, we are creating a new customer classification system to focus on our largest customers. Our biggest customers are going to be called gold class customers, and the next group will be called silver class. Gold class customers are those who average monthly sales for the last 12 months are 7,000 or greater, or the average sales for the recent 3 months are 7,000 greater. Silver class customers are those who average monthly sales between 2 and 7,000. Okay. So let me see here.
So. Okay, so I'm just gonna put classification column. And then equals.
Yeah. So for this one, I will do, I guess, the
1,000 or greater. So the if function?
Yes, I believe so.
So if this equals no. If this is, what is it, 7,000 or greater? Greater than or equal to. If not, all the if or function. That's what we're doing. Because they had to meet the last 12 months, 7,000, and the average sales for the most recent 3 months are 7,000 and greater. Or
Here. I think we can use also the conditional formatting. I just couldn't remember how to do that one.
okay. Let me see.
If we go to conditional formatting, manage rules, new rule, use, I think you did the bottom one, use a formula to determine. Yeah.
Format values equals average. And then that one we will have to anchor the column, but not the cell. So
correct.
Greater than or equal to 7,000.
To 7,000, yeah. And then for this, do we do comma gold or we comma quote gold, or can't remember how to do that one?
Yeah, it's comma quote gold.
Is it working for you? Is it giving you an error?
Yeah, it's not working. It's not giving me because it's supposed to return the word gold, and it's not. See on format. Yeah, no, I think we have to do formulas, not.
Yeah. I think, like you said, we just have to use the formula. I was trying to rewatch part of the video. So what is it? If this, we anchor the column is greater than or equal to 7,000. Then
Return gold.
Gold, comma. If not, then we do with this one. We do another F formula after that, wouldn't we?
Yes, but I just did it and it returned gold, silver, but somehow the formula is not stopping at 2,000. It's going silver for anything below 7,000. So let me see what did I did wrong. I think I have to do it.
And what was the range? It was 2,000 to 7,000, right?
Yes.
Okay. think it worked. I think I got it.
Okay.
So I'll show you what my formula looks like. Let me double check though. That seems to work. Cool. 1 second, I might pull it up for you.
Okay. So did the if. I put if that equals 7.
Yeah. So do you see mine right now?
Okay, let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, I have the same equals 7,000. Then return goal if. Oh, you put 2,000. Okay, so that's where as I had put, okay, yeah.
So that's what I did. If that is greater than or equals to 10,000, comma, and gold, then if that is greater than or equal to 2,000, and silver, comma, quote, quote. And then what it does is if you look, it just, if they're not anything, they just stay blank.
Yes.
So.
Work.
Cool. That wasn't too bad. Okay. We're done with that one, I think. So let me double check. Yep.
Yeah, it worked.
Then number 6, add a column add a column next to the average monthly sales on the AR aging sheet called class.
Which is what we just did.
Take the word gold, silver, or I guess.
Yeah, I think that's what we just did. So.
I guess we need to call it class, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, that's easy then, I guess. Cool. Okay, 7 then. Now format these 3 columns. 1, customer. These 3 columns,
Customer number,
and class.
Okay, so customer number.
Which one are those?
Column A, column B.
Column 3, or I mean column J for me.
Created, yeah.
So wait, let me see here. It says, now format these 3 columns.
I have column A, which will be the column formatting customer number, customer name. And then the class,
okay.
we just.
Well, okay, no, we're good. So I was wondering, I was like, they're already named, so it should be fine. So now we just have to make the fill gold or silver or blank.
Yes.
Okay.
I have all 3 selected. So conditional formatting. I guess this is where we use the new rule. So if it equals gold, then
Yes. Yeah, let me see how.
Equals.
Once all 3 of those columns turn gold or silver with the class, is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me see here. Now, is this the one where he says use a formula to determine which cells to format, correct?
This one is, yes.
This. function, just the column equals. What was it? Equals.
It's like if for me it would be J. So
4.
equals J4.
And then that one needs to be not anchored, correct?
Yes. Like the column needs to be anchored, but the cell does not.
Okay.
Equals. So equals old.
Okay. Is that all we put?
I think so. Let me see. Okay, so what I put is I put equals and then highlighted the cell, but it didn't work because it's highlighting some of my silver ones, so that does not.
Yeah, it didn't work for me. Let me see, manage rules, edit.
Okay, I think it's format cell only cells that contain, and then oh no, a specific text containing.
Let me see here.
Yeah, I think. And then okay, so yeah, so I did the format only cells that contain, and then I did specific tests containing, and then I put for goal, I put equals, apostrophes, bold, apostrophes, and then formatted a goal with white letters, and then I did a new rule, same thing, equals silver, and then I did apply, and it worked.
And it worked?
Yeah.
All right, 1 second here. See if I can get that.
Oh, but
So let me see. So you went, let me see, conditional formatting, new rule.
But it didn't highlight my customer name or my customer number.
Let me see. Equals that. Equals.
I'll show you. So it worked on the class, but not on the formatting. Manage rules. So that and the specific test containing gold. If I do the same thing with this one, let's see. Let me see. Escape.
I don't know why. Yeah. So you have to almost. Let's see here.
Okay, let's see. Condition of formatting. Clear rules from selected. Yes. Okay, so let's try it again. Conditional formatting. Manage rules. New rule.
I don't know. I can get it to work if you like. If you do each column individually, but doing them together, for whatever reason, isn't working.
You got it to work if
If you do each, like say, each column individually, so it just takes an extra second, but like.
So how do you did the specific like format only cells, or you did the use of formula?
I use the format only.
Okay, that's yeah.
Dang it.
So then are you doing one at a time?
What was that?
Are you doing one at a time?
Column?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't know. I got it to work that way for gold. So I know there's probably a better way, but for whatever reason, it wasn't going through and doing all the rows or all the columns for me.
All right. it in the video.
Huh. It seemed to work now. Are you still here with me?
I was looking at the video how he did it.
Okay. I think I got it to work. Let me try one more time.
Okay.
Here, I got it to work. All right. So yeah, I got it to work.
Okay, how you did it?
So highlight
Columns.
customer number and customer name, and then also highlight the class column. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. When you do that, let me see. Go to manage rules. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So go to new rule, then go to the
User formula.
Yeah, user formula. Go enter, then click on J4 is what mine is. The
Yes.
first one says gold. Anchor, so only the column is anchored.
Yes, I got that far.
Okay, and then equals.
Equals.
Let me see. Open.
Please.
Yeah, open quote.
Open
and
quote.
then gold, and then gold, and then
Okay.
close quote.
Okay.
And then hit format and choose a color that matches gold the most, I guess.
Okay, and then the font is white.
Yeah. Or whatever you want. And then hit OK.
Mm-hmm.
And then it should. Yeah.
Yeah, sweet. And the font has to be white. That's what the instruction says.
It says it has to be white.
Yeah, it says gold with white font.
Sweet. That's good. You told me that. Font.
I'll do manage rule, and then I'll add a new rule, and I'll do the same thing for silver. Equals. And also for the silver one, it has to be white also.
Yeah.
Sweet, it worked also for the silver one.
Yep. So, no, that's cool. Yeah. And then save, I guess, there.
Then what?
I was just making sure I saved it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, that would be important.
And then for number 8, it says on the aging report, add our company's logo, your choice of an appropriate logo. Put a useful title on the report. Add a freeze pan. What's a freeze pan?
Let me see. Hold on. I don't know.
And then do a logo. We just
he said just copy any off the internet, any logo off the internet.
Really?
That's what he said in the video. Just grab any logo off the internet. Okay.
I'm just grabbing, even if it's like someone else's logo.
He's like, for this, he just said, just add a company logo, grab any logo from the internet. That's what he said.
All right.
What's a freeze pan? Oh, it's to freeze the columns. A freeze pane is to freeze the column.
Oh. Did you choose a logo yet?
No, I have not.
Wondering how to do it because I tried to like copy the image in and it didn't work.
Let me see. Company logo. I'll do the Panda Express. I just did copy and paste and it worked.
Really?
Yeah, I just went on Google and like I put company logos and I just grabbed the little Panda Express logo. I did copy image and then selected a cell on the
yeah, so copy image.
Yeah, and then I went back to the mini project and put paste.
Yeah, it's not working for me.
let's see, maybe paste, special paste, maybe. Click on special paste and do BMAC. So the paste is there for you.
All right, I guess it worked now. That's weird. Where'd you put the logo?
I haven't put it anywhere right now. I just have it to the side.
Yeah, that's my only thing I can think of where to put it, just off to the side.
Yeah, I'm like.
And then how do you, so do we have to change the report title? It said too.
Yes, it says, "Add your company logo, your choice of an appropriate logo. Put a useful title on the report." I guess we can put
title of the report.
Classifications or something, since they're doing that all by class.
What are you saying?
I'm just thinking like customer classification report or something. I don't know. Let's see.
Works for me. We'll try that. And then, do you know how to freeze the pane?
Yes, hold on.
How to freeze pane?
I was reading it. It's we have to select the rows we want to freeze. So I don't know why we will have to freeze. It just says add a freeze pane. So
okay, and then
click the view tab, and then it says freeze panes. So I'm assuming let's just say maybe we can freeze like customer number, customer name, and all that. Freeze. That wouldn't work. Okay, and Spain.
Do you not unfreeze it? Oh, unfreeze panes. Here we go. Imagine what we could do is we could freeze the top row.
That's what I'm trying to do. But when I do it, it just freezes 1 and 2. It doesn't freeze number 3. So I'm like, because I would figure if we freeze that, we can scroll up and down and you can still see that. So keep top row visible while scrolling through. That will be the middle one.
Oh. Yeah, let me see, because you can only choose, for me, it only gives me the option to freeze top row or first column.
Yeah, when I choose top row, it freezes the honesty warning.
Yeah, which doesn't look good.
The first column, and then everything else scrolls up and down. So it's kind of useless.
I don't know. I guess we can freeze the first column. What makes sense to me for this, I guess.
Yes.
That's what I'm doing, at least.
You're freezing the first column?
Yeah, because if you do the top, I mean...
Yeah.
Doesn't really help out, I guess.
Mm-mm.
All right. I think that's all we need, I guess.
Yes, that's pretty much make it pretty, and that's it.
Yep.
All right. And that's all we needed.
Cool. I'll email you the link for the video.
Awesome. Okay, and then I'll see you next week since we don't have to do anything because of the exam.
Yeah. Sounds good.
All right. Good luck on your exam.
Awesome. Yep, you too.
Okay, see you. Bye. Thank you.